You know, as we're trying to dress up the bathroom, we picked up this Kohler 3-in-1 multifunction shower head. I'm going to install it right now. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY, helping you save time and money. Let's dive in. We're going to remove the old shower head. Put the washcloth between the pliers and the shower head and give it a turn counterclockwise. Now be careful, you don't want to remove the shower arm. You're just going to remove the shower head. Take off the old plumber's tape. Now the Kohler 3-in-1 comes with the shower head, the shower wand, the shower hose, and it even comes with a little bit of plumber's tape. If you do use the plumber's tape, there's a particular way of winding it onto the pipe. You want to wind it so that the tape end is facing away from the direction of the threads. I'll show you. The end of the tape is going to be facing away from the direction that I'm turning the shower head. That way, when I screw on the new shower head, it's only going to tighten it. It's not going to unwind it. Now when we screw on the Kohler shower head, it's not going to undo our plumber's tape. The new shower head has a fitting that spins and spins. Makes it a lot easier to get on. Make sure if you took the flange off that at this point you put the flange on before you put the shower head on. It's at this point I'm going to get my washcloth and tighten it down, protecting that brushed chrome finish. Now I'm going to use plumber's tape around these threads as well. Attach the hose. Not too tight, just snug it up. Now we're going to put plumber's tape around the shower wand. Snug that up hand tight. Let the tape do the rest. And it is adjustable. And swing it up or swing it down. Now what I like about the 3-in-1 Kohler shower head, with the first setting it comes out the top like a rainfall, and the middle setting it comes out both, the shower head and the wand. And with the bottom setting it comes out just the wand. So you can take off the wand and wash off the Netherlands. For more home improvement tips like this one, click the image on your screen now.